When I was growing up, pizza poppers were always my favorite treat. So today I've decided to make them keto friendly for you. Let's get cooking. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to take your shredded mozzarella cheese, throw it into your bowl, put it into the microwave for 1 minute, then take it out of the microwave, give it a good stir, then throw it back into the microwave for another minute. Now we're going to mix together all of our dry ingredients, starting with our almond flour, followed by our oregano, then some basil, thyme. Can never get enough thyme. Oh God, I love the thyme jokes. Then some rosemary, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. Then you're going to whisk it all together. Now put your dry ingredients to the side and take out your cheese. Then you're going to give it one more stir through, and then you're gonna crack your egg into your bowl. Now, make sure your egg is room temperature, because if you take a cold egg and crack it into the hot cheese, it's gonna turn into a weird scrambled egg mixture very quickly. So if it's room temperature, it kind of gives you a few more seconds to play around with before you have to quickly start kneading it all together. So be very mindful of that. And in saying that, go ahead and knead the egg into your cheese mix. Once the egg is completely mixed through, it's okay if it's still a little bit runny down at the bottom, don't worry about that, but mostly mixed through. Then you're going to add some dry ingredients in, just about a half a cup at a time, then knead it all together, then add another half a cup, knead it all together, and you know how it goes until there's no more dry ingredients left. You can put your dough to the side for now because we are going to make our filling. So add your mozzarella cheese into a bowl, followed by your pizza sauce. So you can use whatever kind of pizza sauce you want, just make sure it is low in sugar. And then mix it all together. Now we're going to roll out our dough. So making sure you have a nice, clean, flat surface, go ahead and roll it out to about 1/2 centimeter thick, which is roughly 1/4 inch. Now trim the sides of the dough so they're nice and square. And then you're going to make little squares. Try and get the squares as close to the same size as possible. Take a little bit of filling and place it in the middle of your square. Then take the other square next to it, place it on top of the other square, and pinch the sides to really seal in that filling. You don't want to overfill these pizza poppers because it will get very messy. It'll kind of spill everywhere and they won't really seal very well. So be very mindful of that. So we have all of them rolled. Now it's time to brush them with a little bit of melted butter. And then sprinkle on top some Parmesan cheese. And to finish it off, just a little bit of salt. Then you're going to place them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on what your oven is like, because some ovens run hot, some ovens run a little bit cooler. Not everyone's oven is perfectly the same. So keep an eye on them. You want them to have a little tiny bit of a golden brown look to them on the top. They are done. They look amazing and I cannot wait to dig in. The crust is nice and crispy. The filling is so gooey and delicious. This is honestly the best recipe if you just want a good snack, something a little nostalgic, or even if you're watching the football game, maybe even for your kids if you want them to eat healthier. This recipe is perfect for any occasion. I really hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, or even if you just want to say hi, I like talking to you guys, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.